Hello, so I'm going to teach you how to install Windows Server 2008 in a virtual machine workstation. So firstly, we're going to open the VMware workstation. Here, home. And you can see in the home, we have the option here to create a new virtual machine. So we're going to choose that. After that, we're going to select typical as recommended, and after that we're going to locate our installer disk image file. So mine is already in here, Windows Server 2008. Click open and I'm going to hit next. And now we're going to enter a product key, just a random numbers. So no, not just random numbers, but a number that we can remember easily. Okay, full name, administrator, a server, password. Since this is a Windows server, or we're going to create a strict and secure password that is easily to remembered, and required length would be 26 letters that contains uppercase, lowercase, special characters, and yeah, that's it. And after that, we're going to hit next, and the name of our machine will be Windows Server 2008. Location, we can choose the location to store our virtual machine. So for me, I'm going to store it in my local disk D, since it has much larger storage. I've already created a folder here specifically for the Windows Server. Next, you can see here how many what size to be allocated for our virtual machine. I'm going to choose 40 gig since it is a recommended for Windows Server 2008. Next, here you can see the full details for our virtual machine. Finish. Your machine. Okay. So we're just going to wait here to finish installing VMware. Okay, you can already see here that the Windows is now installing, so you're just going to wait again. And yeah, we've successfully installed Windows Server 2008 into our virtual machine. And set time zone, configure network, provide computer name domain, sync, update the server, customize the server, add roles, add features, and everything. So we just have to close. We're going to tackle it next time. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.